Go. I'm holding you, but it's your responsibility to balance.
Okay.
So if you lean into the side, I'm just gonna drop my arms.
Okay.
So you gotta balance. There you go. See? Keep them flat. Lean back. Be control. Control. Just like you do in your walker. You gotta keep yourself balanced. Square your body up this way. You just getting that foot.
Okay.
Step it. Square yourself up. Lean back. Kick.